Hi all, welcome back to Gamers Tech after a long time. So today I'm going to unbox a webcam from Logitech. I have purchased this from an offline store for around 4,200 rupees, and as you can see the model number is B525. So let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. Inside the box we get a setup guide along with the webcam itself. One thing that you will notice that we don't get a driver CD, that because it's a plug and play webcam, so you don't need to install any driver or something like that to run this webcam. So that's a good thing to know. So guys, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also newcomers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get future notification from me. See you in the next video and stay tuned until then.